Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how I went about creating this TikTok mega viral Santa's dollhouse. I had a very big open canvas on the side of the house and always wanted to create something fun with it. Because it was well accepted, I decided to make this tutorial so you can enjoy it too. Let's get started. This is an example map file from another project I worked on. In your case, you may have windows or doors you need to get around. Biggest objective here is to create quote-unquote windows which you can later use to add whatever videos and media to. Based on what I had to work with, I added the following lines highlighted here. To speed up my process, I then take it to Photoleap to create a more realistic section view or dollhouse view. This will help create angles, walls, and flooring to give it the perfect section view of Santa's house. It's important to keep it simple. Some of the prompts included words like section view, dollhouse view, and empty rooms in order to take it to the next step. Try it with Copilot also in case you don't have Photoleap, or simply freehand it using your best skills from art in elementary. As you can see, with the help of AI, this process is very fast, saving lots of time. In this overlay, you can see what I added as my input and final view I decided to go with. I then added this new file and used some of the various Christmas themes available on Photoleap through the scenes function. Remember, you can always add a custom prompt as well if you want something very specific. You may be wondering, why not just go directly to Photoleap with map file and skip this extra step? The main reason is related to having AI get pretty crazy. It may add stuff like furniture, other objects, and may make it a lot harder to use, and you'll have to do a lot of cleanup. By adding this second file, you help AI stay within certain constraints of the dollhouse that you have created. It will still make it Christmas themed, but with a lot less cleanup. After choosing the best scene that matched my requirements, I then proceeded to mask out what is not needed. If you're an Apple user, you simply hard press the object you want in your photo and then save it as a separate image. It's as easy as that. Otherwise, you can simply freehand some black shapes or color in with black. In the projection world, this means areas in black will not be projected on and helps give it a clean and crisp look. Photoleap also offers object cutting in their photo editing section of the app, in case you want to use that as an alternative. In this example facade, I'm showing you how I added what I call windows using white as my base color. In LumaFusion, which is my video editing software, it allows me to filter out or make areas of a designated color transparent. And based on this house having less white, I chose this color. If your image has lots of a particular color, I would choose something completely opposite, otherwise you will have a lot of issues with filtering. Most software will allow this, and if you don't have this color key filtering, Photoleap has this function under the cut feature. The goal is to make it transparent when you're working on your final product. In this example, I chose to use rectangular shapes rather than cutting and making it transparent through Photoleap. I then added this image to LumaFusion, which is my go-to video editing software. But this is pretty standard with most software. If you decided to create a transparent image to begin with, you can skip to the next step. Please forget that I have already uploaded the videos I will be using, as I wanted to expedite this tutorial and get to the main point of doing this. Under the edit function for this particular facade, I chose a key option to make white transparent. I chose a blue screen option and selected white as my main color. I also made some adjustments to other controls to get the image exactly how I wanted it to be. Once ready, you can place it on top of the entire timeline. This is important because you want all media and videos behind it. If you have videos and media that fits perfectly, then it wouldn't matter as much, but it helps with the final production. When you're adding your media or videos to your timeline, the order doesn't really matter, but They will also upload in the aspect ratio that they are meant to be. So you'll have to move, crop, and also shrink within reason to fit them within the windows that you have created. As I mentioned before, I've already uploaded 5 AtmosFX videos that I want to use. If you don't have these and would like to use them, I placed a link on the details of this video as to where you can get these from. This is where it gets super fun and exciting since you're almost done and it's the easiest process. As I mentioned before, by filtering the exact areas I wanted to place the videos, it allows me to have a perfect shape and videos do not have to match the size of the window perfectly. As a final step, I made improvements to the facade with image color to make it stand out. You then save your project, ensuring output would match your map file aspect ratio, and you're ready to create magic for lots of little ones. If you found some value in this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share to help spread the knowledge. Have fun with your design, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.